I think we are. Hey guys, this is Cindy Byer with Yelba Heaton for our final, your final Get Hammered workout. So go ahead and grab your hammers or a little hand weights or I don't know what else, anything that you can hold on to in your hands. Something that gives a little bit more length. It's not so much about the weight, but it's something about the length.
A beer can?
Beer can, you know, what, drumstick?
This?
Yeah, a drumstick of some sort. Something that will give you a little bit of weight. And we're going to challenge your balance today to see if you can stay stable without falling over with these extra little hammers in our hands. So join me in our Get Hammered workout as we challenge your balance to see if you can stay stable and walk the line while being hammered. All right, so what we're going to start with here is we're just going to simply start by bringing the arms forward in front of us to get used to the weight of the hammers and then come back down. Let's do that again, bringing them up and then coming back down. 3 more here, so glad you guys are joining us today. I hope you've been enjoying this week's series. I've got a whole bunch more that are planned and plotted out for you guys. I think right now I have probably the next 4 weeks actually planned. If anyone would like to participate in any of these workouts with us live, just let me know. Would love to have you guys involved. Okay, so now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to step to the side, and our arms are going to move like so. So just be careful, Yelba, that you hit me. Okay, so you're going to step. Oh no, you can step there. We just have to watch. All right, we're going to. I do. I have more of a hammer. All right, so mine's stronger. We're going to step to the side here and bend our knees down, and then step and bring our legs together. Then we're going to step to the side here and bring the legs together. And then step to the side and come together, and step to the side and come together. 4 more here, step. All I'm doing right now is warming up the arms and also warming up the legs. Last 1 to the side and then back to the center and pause right here. Very nice. Now, from here, what we're going to do is we're going to hold our legs in a wider stance, right? So our feet, we're going to be wider, and we're going to imagine that have you ever done, what is it, the kettlebell stuff? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to imagine this is a kettlebell. So we're going to take our hammers and bring them together and hold them with both hands on both hammers. And we're going to bend our knees and swing the hammer down, right? So we get this nice, loose go at it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to lift the arms up and we're going to bend down. So remember, if you have that kettlebell, it's not so much about just straightening the legs or lifting the arms. It's about swinging the hip. Okay, so once you have this action done, you're going to separate the arms out. So the hands are no longer holding the handles together. They're separated. So this is going to throw your balance off, right? I know because I practiced it and I started to wobble. All right, so what you're going to do here is your hands are going to come down and you can feel that weight of the hammer. You're going to swing them back underneath. So if you're a guy, be very careful with a hammer down between your legs, right? I guess I don't have to tell you that. So you're going to swing them back, then you're going to push your hips forward and swing the arms up, and then you're going to come back down. So remember, it's this hip thrust coming forward and coming back down, right? So we're going down and forward. Let's do about 5 more. Coming up and then coming back down. Remember to allow the hammer the opportunity to move within your hand so you can feel how that weight gets shifted from one end to the next. How many more? About 2, maybe 1? I wasn't really counting. Last time here. Very good. Coming back down and step back and together. All right, now we're going to work on our back lunge, and this is where the balance comes into play. So if you're just joining us, we're about ready to really get hammered and challenge your ability to stay standing. All right, so what you're going to do from here is you're going to step back into a lunge. So you're going to take one leg right here, and you're going to lift it up, and you're going to reach back with that leg. Just come forward here. Sometimes just holding the leg up might be challenging enough. But right now we're going to reach into that balance, that leg where it's back, and then come forward. Let's do 2 more. Very good. And then 1 more here on this leg. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add in our arms. So we're going to step back and reach the arms up and then come back in. And you're like, oh my gosh, all we're doing is back lunging. Yes, but wait, there's more, right? Who said that? Ron Popeil on his infomercials, right? Come back forward. 2 more here. And there's a bonus in this, by the way. 1 more here and come forward. You're not going to rest. We're not going to rest yet. You're going to go back now. Hold this position. You're going to make sure your hips are bent forward or your waist is bent forward. You're holding this lunge. Your weight is pulling back into your hip. Then you're going to take your back leg and lift it off the ground, holding the hammer straight out from your shoulders. This is where that wobble in that leg comes into play. Very nice. Now, from here, we're going to lift that back leg up and tap it down. So here's the bonus feature of this. We're not just challenging your balance. We're challenging your glute strength on the leg that you're standing on. Good. 2 more here. Don't give up yet. 1 more. Hold the leg there. Now just bend the knee in and then straighten it out behind you. 4 more. 4. Reach it back. 3. And if you're trying to do this without the hammers, good for you. It's just as hard to do. The hammers just provide a little bit more challenge. Hold here. Now from there, pull the knee down towards the other knee and push it back. Woo, see? There I go. Ha-ha. See, as much as people think that I'm super duper strong on this stuff, I'm challenging myself here, not just you guys. Good. The knee comes in and it reaches back. Try 3 more here. In. You just can't give up. 1 more. I'm wobbling. In and stand up from there. How'd you do?
I feel it.
Yeah. So it's interesting when you throw the hammers into the mix, how much that will throw you off, right? We all know that getting hammered throws your balance off. All right, step back with the other leg. So we're going to go into a lunge without the arms first. So we step back, bend that front knee, come in and up. Step back again, and come in and up. Try 2 more here, just stepping back and lift. 1 more, hold. Now from here, we're going to add the arms in, right? So the arms are going to come up, and then we're going to bring them down here. 5 of them. Reach. You don't have to do a whole lot of exercise or a lot of intensity or effort to get the benefit out of what you're doing. The point is that what you want to be able to do is get the right alignment. And that way, you have the right muscles doing the right thing at the right time to work harder, right? All right, now step back. We're going to find that balance point. I'm out of breath. All right, so hold this position. Remember, pull your weight back into that hip. Balance onto that back leg. Hold right there. Be careful not to straighten your bottom leg while you're doing this. And lift the back leg up and then bring it down. And lift it up. Try challenging yourself. Hold those arms out straight for me throughout. Ugh. 2 more.
We can do this.
1 more, hold. Now just bend that knee and then straighten it behind you. 4. Bend and then straighten. 2 more here. Then 1 more, hold it bent. Pull the knee down and in, and then reach it back. Pull the knee down and in, and reach it back. Oh, I'm starting to wobble. 2 more, and back. 1 more. I almost lost it there. And back, and rise up from there. All right, how are you guys doing? I'm so glad you guys are sticking around.
So you probably not, but I am.
Oh, from our arm work?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Good. It's good stuff. And it's only, what, like 10 minutes at most, right? So imagine if you went over to my YouTube channel and you put together 3 of those workouts, those 10-minute workouts, you'd have 30 minutes of a workout in, and you did another 3 the next day, a different 3 the next day. What a great way for you guys to get in shape over the course of time. Plus, you tune in every day at around this time, And you'll get a new one because for 5 days, every week, you're getting new content. All right, so now from here, what you're gonna do, we're gonna go back to the other leg, and we're gonna just step back and come forward 4 times, right? 3, you all know what's coming up. We're gonna add one extra little feature into this move. Hold here, lift the back leg up, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, bend the knee in, 4 times, 3, hold those arms out straight, 2, 1, hold it bent, pull it in, but this time as you pull it in, you're gonna bring the arms down and stand up. Then you're gonna bend that knee and reach the leg back. That's the bonus challenge as I wobble and do it. It's hard to talk and do it. Reach back. 2 more here. And back. It comes down to your glute strength, my toe tap down. 1 more. Gosh, I'm already sweating. All right, and if you're just watching us, I would encourage you, stand up and just try this. It's not easy. Even if you don't have hammers, you can just stand there, jump off your bed and stand on the floor. Hold on to the bedpost, or hold on to your kitchen counter, or hold on to somebody else. That's what we should do, is we should do partner work. All right, take the other leg. We're gonna just lunge back 4 times. This is it, 4. You guys are almost done. See, it's not that long. And guess what? You do get results. It doesn't have to be really super intense, right? Less is more. Hold here. Right now, lift the back leg up a little bit. Ooh, I'm throwing my balance off already. 3, 2, 1 more hold. Bend that knee. 4 times only. 3, keep all that weight pulling into your glute. Understanding leg, 1 more here. Now, adding that in. Bend that knee, stand up, arms come down. Then you're gonna bow, bend the knee, reach the arms, reach the leg. Stand up. I don't know if you can hear Yelba grunting to my side, but, right? This is not easy stuff. And it's not a lot. If I put too much effort into it, guess what? That's when I start to fall. I have to let myself be free just to move. Stand up. Yes. You guys are awesome. I so appreciate you guys tuning in today specifically, and any other time you tune in. Remember, I'm continuing to put this content out there for you because you guys mean so much to me, and I want to provide you with some of my background and my expertise, and something that will help you either get you up off the couch and get you moving, help strengthen an area that might be weak, or just help you get excited about working out so that it doesn't have to feel like such a chore. But if you love this stuff and you want to help continue to see it grow further, make sure you go over and check out my Patreon page. And I'll put a link in the description, patreon.com/Cindy Byer. And this is where you can find a way that if you want to, for just $4 for the month, you can help support the continued growth of all of this work, plus more to come. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon. You don't think it's wrong for me to